Mga katol, nandito tayo ngayon sa La Union, one of the premier destinations sa Northern Luzon. Tara! La Union or LU is a province located in the Ilocos region, about 260 kilometers away from Manila. To reach LU, you will have to pass the main highways NLEX, TPLEX, and SCTEX. It will take around 6 to 7 hours of driving, of course, depending on traffic conditions and how many times you pull for a stop. LU is famous for its beaches, and is a popular surfing spot for seasoned surfers and even for newbies. You can also enjoy other activities such as trying out their local food, chilling under the sun, and experience their nightlife. One can simply have a delightful weekend trip in this quaint surf town. We arrive at the Flotsam and Jetsam Hostel. It is one of the best accommodations you can find here in San Juan, La Union. Here they offer clean and comfortable bunk beds, locker for your things, and a common toilet and bathroom. It is right at the beach, thus making it a perfect location for surfers and beach lovers alike. Nakakapagod mag-surf. Palubog na din ng araw. Pero may energy pa naman para sa happening sa gabi. At night, people can get together in their colorful lantern-lit bar and enjoy some beers, cocktails, finger foods, and go for a smoke at their dedicated smoking lounges. There's also an area for recreational activities. Nakaupo sa sahig with your friends. Relax lang. Walang masyadong iniisip. Chill lang. Kwentuhan, at madami nang nainom. Tapos na ang gabi na to at magre-ready na kami for surfing the next morning. That's all for tonight. Tulugan na and good night. Good morning, LU! Sun is shining and let's start our day with a hearty breakfast. The hostel offers a buffet breakfast with a choice of toast, oats, eggs, jams, and fruits. Busog na kami at handa na kami sumugod sa dagat. Say hi. Hi. Where are you from? London. Enjoy. Here in LU, you can rent a surfboard for 250 per hour and a guide for another 250 pesos. A guide is highly recommended for beginners in surfing like us.
Ito pre, oh. And look.
we have to go home na. That's it guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you have learned something from it. Show some love and support and subscribe to this channel. Tara, inom tayo!